In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Project. Before we begin, a quick note. Microsoft Project isn't included with regular Office or Microsoft 365 plans. You'll need a Project Plan subscription, like Plan 3 or Plan 5, or a standalone license such as Project Standard or Project Professional. If you already have one of those, you're ready to install. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft365.com or Office.com. Sign in with the Microsoft account that's associated with your project license. This is important. The installer only appears when you're using the account that holds the license. If you use a work or school account, make sure it's the one your organization assigned project to. Once you're signed in, go to your account dashboard. Look for a section labeled Apps and Devices, or something similar like Install and More. The wording can vary slightly depending on your tenant or region, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the page that lists your available apps. On that page, locate Microsoft Project. If your license includes the desktop version, you'll see Project listed among your products. Sometimes it might appear as Project Professional or Project Online Desktop Client. That's normal. If you don't see it, it usually means the license isn't assigned to your account, so you may need to confirm your subscription or check with your administrator. When you find Project, click Install. If you see an option called Other Options, you can choose your preferred language and pick the 64-bit or 32-bit version. As a tip, match the bit version of Project to the bit version of your existing Office apps to avoid compatibility issues. Close any OpenOffice applications before continuing, just to ensure a smooth setup. Your browser will download an installer file, often named something like setup.exe. Open it, and if Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, select Yes. The installer will run, download any required files, and guide you through the process. Keep your internet connection stable and avoid shutting down your computer while this is happening. After installation completes, launch Microsoft Project from your Start menu. For activation, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used earlier. If you have a one-time purchase and you're prompted for a product key, enter it here to activate. You should only need to do this once on the device. That's it. You've downloaded and installed Microsoft Project using your existing license. If Project doesn't appear under your apps, verify your license status or reach out to your admin for assignment. Enjoy planning your projects with confidence.